What's up YouTube, Dougie Chong here. Welcome to today's episode where I'll be revisiting a stock that has recently dropped a whole lot along with the rest of the stock market. This has been one of the worst weeks in recorded history and is a huge correction to the stock market in general. Stocks were trading at an unsustainable level, so a correction was inevitable, and this is exactly the moment I was waiting for to start buying some more stocks. For those of you that have been following the channel, I have a simulated stock trading portfolio where in the first few months I only put about 10% of the portfolio value into stocks, waiting for a correction like this. In the past week, however, I have put another 10%, and I will show that later in this video. The main stock I will be focusing on in this video is the stock ticker symbol CCL, which is Carnival Cruise Lines. I will leave a link that shows when I reviewed the stock when it was trading around $42 and now it is trading around $33. That is a steep discount, and I will show why it is good value at this price. I also have an advantage against other monetized YouTubers because if they say the name of a certain virus, they get demonetized. However, I am not monetized, so I can say whatever I want as long as YouTube does not flag my video. So the main catalyst that is driving the stock market down is the coronavirus. It started off as a maybe it can be contained epidemic in China to a global situation in places such as Italy, Iran, and South Korea. There are even a few cases in the US and in Canada, so this situation is clearly getting a little out of control. I believe the only reason why the World Health Organization has not classified it as a pandemic yet is because they do not want to spread fear and cause mass panic amongst people. But this video is not about the coronavirus, it is about Carnival Cruise Lines and how it stands to lose a lot of its value based on how the coronavirus develops. I will leave a screenshot or a link to an article that shows 6 people have died after contracting the coronavirus on the Diamond cruise ship, which is owned by Diamond Princess Cruise Line, which is owned by Carnival Cruise Lines. All this quarantine and lack of travel will of course hurt the bottom line for Carnival Cruise Lines and cause the stock to drop significantly. All these articles are also tarnishing the brand name. I don't think anyone is going to be taking a cruise within the next 1 year. This provides a perfect buying opportunity, and I will show you exactly how much I have bought and how much I intend to buy in the future. So here I will show that I bought CCL at about 4 different points throughout the week. Started at prices as high as $39, $37, and got the lowest at $34. Has since dropped even lower to $30 and $33. But this shows the concept of dollar cost averaging, where you buy small amounts going down. Totally, it goes up to about $8,000 spent of the $100,000 cash portfolio. In general, I do not like to put more than 10 to 15% of the total portfolio value into any one stock. For Carnival though, I will be willing to make an exception and go up to 20% of my portfolio in this stock just because I believe it is such a great value. This is a long-term play stock because after each recession, from the $2,000 dot-com crash and the 2008 financial crash, it takes quite a few years for it to get back to where it was before. Now, if you watched my video where I said Carnival Cruise Lines was a buy at $41 and now you see it at $33, you might think it's an extremely good time to buy now. However, back when I said it was a buy at $41, there was a chance that this whole coronavirus situation could be contained and it would just blow over. Now it looks like there's a real chance that the economy will go in a recession, which would drive prices down even further. Therefore, if you have not started a position in Carnival Cruise Lines, I would say now is a good time to buy a little bit. But if you have already bought a few stocks, I would say it's okay to wait. I'm going to wait for around a $30 mark, and if it goes into the 20s, mid to high 20s, I will certainly be looking to buy a few more. A recession is classified as 2 consecutive quarters of negative economic growth, and if a recession is officially called, you will definitely see the stock drop into the high 20s. Another great thing about buying Carnival Cruise Lines at such cheap prices is that it pays about a 6% dividend now. That means even if the price does not go up at all, you will be getting 6% straight from dividends. Of course, the company may be forced to slash this dividend, but it is a much better return than the 1 or 2% that your bank account savings will make. The only other stock I bought this week was Facebook stock at about $200. I will be looking to buy more if it goes down in price. There's plenty of other buying opportunities, but Carnival and Facebook are my main priorities as of now. That's it for this video, guys. Hope you learned a bit about Carnival Cruise Line stock. What do you think about the current market conditions? Do you think a recession is coming, or do you think all the stocks will recover soon? Leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and like if this video helped you at all. Till next time.